Alright everybody, we are checking Michael's and Bath & Body Works dumpster. Let's see if we find anything good. A whole bunch of styrofoam. I must have a shit that come through. There's a whole bunch of styrofoam and bubble wraps.
Was that something right there?
Where? In the bag? Oh, it's some frames. That's a wooden frame.
That's pretty. It's wood too. I mean, this one I would. Hold that, please.
Alright, thank you. Be careful.
Why'd I grab the glass?
I don't know why you grabbed the glass. This is when people are going to say, Billy, where are your gloves? And where are your gloves, Billy?
The house.
Yes,
Well, I
right.
keep 'em.
No, you don't always keep them in the house. You took them out when you got the boat motor. That is why they're at the house. There's a piece of glass right there. There it goes.
See these real quick.
Just be careful. What's those frames? I know that one underneath is cracked. That one's cracked. You
Man,
can probably glue
dirty.
it back
Yeah,
though.
Could glue right
That
there.
one, the glass didn't even busted in it.
Yeah.
Is that other one?
Just destroyed.
Here. Let's see. And this has been emptied. Oh, I wonder if that's a box right there, though.
Wow. Let me do it. I think there's one up under. I see.
Here, let me take
Stay right there.
all these. Starting to sprinkle already.
That's what I thought was the box, but it may not be.
Sounds like somebody's racing. Sounds like somebody's racing.
Sounds like that stupid pool in our neighborhood. You know? Late at night, punches it coming through.
Yeah. No,
Nope.
this box is in crates.
Hey, is that a ball?
I don't know. Can't see.
Or is that food? You know,
Maybe
the other day-
food.
I smell it. Smell the candle stuff.
No, it's like all food. Alright everybody, we did find 2 frames from Michael's though. So that's awesome. Alright everybody, we'll see y'all at the next dumpster.
Hold on, baby. Oh crap, it's all down there.
That's what I'm saying, it's all right there. Something must have happened right there. Maybe a wreck or something, maybe?
No.
Look at all of it. Look. Crazy. Alright, this is Michael's. This mess.
Empty. Watch for glass. Oh, wait a minute, there's some paint brushes
Where?
right here. You see them or they're gonna fall? Hold on.
Oh, I see them. Hold on, let me grab them. Got some paintbrushes.
So you're okay, baby. Oh, plate was busted.
I've got to get me another holder for my cell phone.
I think we got some. Hold on, look. You see the sunflower in there? It's pretty.
Over here, Bath & Body Works. Looks like somebody's been in it.
And that
today.
one. Look behind.
Bag.
Hold on. Should I look back there? Or I don't. It's like they did that bag. I don't think. Hold on, let me grab my grabber. Here, sit down, baby. Stay. Stay. Hold on, stay. Shoot, I think a car is coming. Oh, is that
Is
candle?
that a bag back there?
I think it is. Hold on. No, they went the other way.
The 90 and 100 here. Wow. Can't remember what it's been today. Remember what the temperature was today here?
But our dang humidity is so bad here in Florida.
Oh look, that's the box. It's got a candle in it.
That's empty. And that's empty.
So we got one box right here.
Is it?
Yep, it's got glass in it. Let's see if it's got the candle in it.
Oh yeah.
Oh
So
look, it's got a candle.
black cherry.
Black cherry fruit pop. I don't think I ever smoked that one. It smells like candy.
Smells good.
Yep.
Okay.
We got one candle, y'all, from Dr. Value right here to grab her.
Thanks.
Oh, and paintbrushes from Michael's.
Should we go over to that place and then come back this to here? Okay, y'all, we'll be right back. Hey everybody, checking Dollar General. Come on. Come on. Which way you going? Come on. Come on. He won't come out. Oh, he's falling. Come on, buddy. Come on. Hold on. Did he go? There he goes. Oh God, look at this, y'all. What? Come here, you might want to open the trunk. See if you can untie that and dump that right there, right in here, I mean. This thing is their trash. Right there. Or right here too. Hold on. Don't let me forget that. Well, this we can take some of.
No, the bag is got to they might have cut it all.
Thought I heard the raccoon coming back. We can go through this more. Most of the stuff will be donated too.
All of it will be actually.
Yep.
I might just send a couple things to Mom and that's about it.
We'll clean up the outside of the bags. We have some bleach wipes, so. Is it getting heavy? Okay. What is it? Somebody coming?
No, I'll just look it over.
Okay, here. You want to take that and I'll...
Just stick that in there.
You got it?
Yeah.
Can you see to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna...
There.
What? It tore?
There. Oh, I got it.
Gosh, oh, look at that. Wheat dance, ain't that what y'all love?
Yeah.
Some of them I can't get because they're wet. You hear me? Well, I don't know. They should be good, maybe. Ow. Clean this up when you get home.
That one box is wet.
But it's in packs, so.
Oh no, I'm just thinking it's
Oh, I know it's gonna fall. Tell if you got in that or not. Is that okay? I might have to start bringing it too. You hear me? Oh my God. I was just saying the day to Julie. Saying, God, I wish I could find these. Hey, remember what I said to you earlier? Look.
Oh yeah.
I said I wish I could find them again. They were so awesome. What is it? How am I going to do this? Because this one bag, it's got stuff. Maybe I can get this shirt and wipe the outside of the bag off.
Maybe. I've got this little bag right here too.
Because it's so much.
I've got this little bag.
Yeah, maybe other stuff. Hold on.
That stuff will fit in this bag.
Well, I would just put, hold on, there's more stuff, so you might need it. Hold on. I set it on that box over there corner. What does that say? 45. You see it?
Yeah. Looks like I want more.
Oh my God.
Get some more.
No, I'm talking about this.
Reckon you been in there.
He didn't get to it though. Oh, he got to one thing. You see it right there?
Yeah, but we've been in that water.
There's no water right there.
You sure?
Positive. See it? Wipe this. You want to set one of them glass things down and me put it on or no? I'll just vacuum the truck when we get there. Let's see what this one is. Can you believe it's this much stuff?
Yeah.
He was trying to get in all the bags. I guess he was going back and forth. Well, maybe not. Hold on. I don't think we take this. Oh, no. It's bacon and stuff.
Yeah,
That's what he was trying to get into. And it's swollen up. People start fussing at me about it. Gotta remember. Hold that real quick. See, that one I think is coming out of this bag, but I'm pretty sure this bag is.
There's not some ants down there too, and a lot at the bottom.
No, that's not it. That's all of it. Okay. Yeah, I want to check this, huh?
Let's put stuff in the dump. It looks like it's a whole bunch of Fanta packs.
I bet your kids would want to try that.
I don't know.
Let's see.
I put it in. Looks like the raccoon got into it. Tried
Yep.
to.
You think they pull that thing out?
Yeah.
Oh, a monster. It ain't open. Kids don't want that.
No, they won't.
Slim fast. Give me put.
No, I mean, what's the date on those? 'Cause some of that stuff I wouldn't. Give me the bars. Double down right down.
Oh, what are these? Upset stomach. Oh, these are still.
No,
Some of them are.
I would just.
I'm gonna try one for your
That's
son to
fine.
try. So I know.
Somebody else, because there's a lot of people, you know what I'm saying, check, so.
What's the date on them? Hold
I
on.
don't know, because nobody takes those if they're, you know what I'm saying?
October 20
Yeah.
of last year. Well, this is this year, May.
It's, yeah, no, it's August. That's what I said, nobody will take those.
Ain't these? They're not in plastic. Oh yeah, they're in plastic in there.
Do you know what?
I just bought some of these today. The Slim Fast. Let's look at the date.
on those. Go back up to the top, let me see.
Best Buy 1302. I have no idea.
I don't know.
01 30th of 20. Let's just take them. Let's test. We'll check them. I think that's it.
Get that shirt in the trash. It's in the trash, it's the one I use.
I'll grab these. Go.
Make sure you put that in.
Let me put this first. Monster. Don't you run from me, you monster. Y'all, this is so awesome. So totally awesome, man. Killing it. Killed it. It's gonna help a lot of people out. So, y'all make sure y'all see the end result. We'll be right back. We'll show y'all what all laid out. Thanks for watching. We'll be right back. Hey everybody, we're back home and we found a humongous haul at one of our older Dollar Generals that we used to get big, humongous hauls back in the past when we first started, but we moved and it's so far away we don't get a chance to really check it. We've checked it probably 5 or 6 times since being in this area, but like I said, it's like over an hour there and an hour back, and we never found anything. We went tonight because it'd been raining all day and we got lucky. So let's show all the stuff we found. Most of it's going to go to donations. So, and also I know I was asking Julie about some of these because our daughter drinks some of them, the other ones and all. But we've tried to donate these; they will not take them.
We've actually tried to give some
Yeah.
away
And
too,
you've
and nobody
seen some
takes
of the
them.
boxes of stuff I threw back is because they had holes in the boxes and stuff, so they throw them back. And this is like a table that we put in this was one of the tablecloths we found in Michael's, I think.
Yeah, you see Zoe's on top of the coffee table.
So
She's
we
ready.
don't care if it gets dirty or not.
We're just gonna do a quick recap, and I'm not gonna show Billy too much. It's gonna be mainly just the stuff up close.
90 grand. I guess she's gonna stay in the middle of it.
Yep. You need to stack those, Billy, so that way, cause you got
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4 bags maybe.
A lot.
Yep.
All these honey grams, we can make some
S'mores, cheesecake.
crust.
See, woven wheats,
These
like
got
wheat
busted.
thins.
These, I'll have to check them and make sure, because
They're not too wet.
I don't think they're wet, but just to make sure. It'll rain. We have several bags of these. A lot of them was busted open, but it's snapped, cheesy, thin, and crisp.
The cheddar, sour cream,
And
an
onion.
onion.
Oh, that's pretty good. I've never had them. Might try one of them.
Like I said, we might keep a few, and then I might send my mom some, and then the rest of them would be donated.
Yeah. Some more honey made. I guess you're gonna stay in my way.
She says she wants to be in the middle of it and see.
Cheddar, sour cream, and onion. She likes the smell of food more. We found these before, cheese crispers.
Oh, that's the ones I
cheddars.
sent Mama. She done ate them.
She already ate them?
Yeah.
She liked them.
Yeah.
Another cheddar, sour cream.
They're still sniffing all the boxes.
Another, oh, that was busted.
That was
See
busted.
that corner?
Just put it
I'm
in
gonna
the
use
yeah.
this as a trash bag. Another cheese crispers.
Make sure that one's not busted either. Oh, that one's just plain cheese. It's double cheese.
Double cheese, yeah.
Hey, I'm about to stop and do my battery change,
You're
so hold on
back.
1 second.
Hey everybody, we're back.
How long is that the one that's busted?
No, I didn't throw them away. This one is busted.
Okay.
Might have mixed it. I mixed that up.
Is that the one that's busted?
We have some chocolate sugar-free wafers. And today, me and Julie was in Dollar General getting some things, some acid pills for me. And I said, well, I wish I could find these again. And ain't that just crazy? We didn't
Yeah, because you were wanting them.
Because these taste just like Twix.
Yeah.
They're good. And I think we found a bunch of them too. But there's no way I can keep them. I don't even really need one of them, honestly. I may take one pack and eat a couple of them, and maybe hopefully the kids eat some of them.
I don't see them.
We have some Alexandra, the grapes. I used to eat these when I was a kid with lemon heads and Boston baked beans. Anybody else eat anything like this when they were kids?
Comment down below. Let us
Do you
know.
remember them? Some more Slim Fast. And we found a couple of the Monster Hydro Tropical Thunder.
Our oldest dollar Kayla is in Monster Drinks.
And look, that's what I had to go to Dollar General today to buy, but it wasn't these higher expensive ones. I bought the generic ones for a lot cheaper. And the Fanta. All of them, the other ones were like runny and watery. So this one's the only one that looked solid, so I got it. So I'm gonna try it. These are on clearance actually.
The Slim Fast Keto
Yep.
meal bars.
And then some Queasy drops, a natural way to ease a queasy stomach, motion, upset, and morning sickness.
Oh, yep.
2 more of the Hydros. And we found these.
Oh yeah, the little stickers. Another bag.
Ooh, look. Oh man, they're all sugar-free, the nasty ones.
Elizabeth eats the sugar-free ones though, probably.
Look at that. Chocolatey. Chocolatey.
I'm gonna have to straighten this table out so I can do a picture.
Oatmeal. I like these. I used to.
And some more of the caramel. Chocolate cookies.
Oh, something got into that.
No, it might have busted in there, did it?
Oh, it did. We have some antibacterial wipes.
Yeah, I'm gonna
bunches of
wipe
that
them
we
all
found,
down.
That we're gonna wipe everything down.
I'm gonna wipe them all down and put them in a bucket and take them donate tomorrow.
You see, this got wet because
Yeah.
you can see. That was,
It's gonna go in the trash.
oh, what flavor is this?
Orange.
Cream.
I've
Real
never had orange cream ones.
Real oranges, it says. Never had them either. Sugar free. That's a rip, but that looks like you got ripped from sitting in here. And chocolate again. Orange cream. See that,
That was
corner?
ripped, yeah.
Some of this stuff actually rips from how they, you see how they
They had them
toss
so stuffed in there.
Yep. So we'll double check everything too.
Make sure there's no holes, no nothing.
Some Reese's.
That's got a, I think it's got a crack inside.
Yeah. 'Cause there's no air in
Yeah,
it,
so,
nothing.
yeah.
Oh, I want some more Reese's. Snickerdoodle. I don't think that is. I'll check them, double check them later. Some Snickerdoodles. Double check them. Them. Boy. If people tried these, we had never tried them until we found them. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
And they were good. More Snickerdoodles.
Mm-hmm.
Liz will love Snickerdoodles. That's all of that big.
You got another bag in this box right here too.
Oh, baby. So watch out, baby.
Can you move that to the side that way? This bag that way? Somehow?
Oh.
All the doggies are underneath you. Maddie's right there too. Yep.
We got fudge stripes, family size. We got the Reese's Pieces. We used to find cases and cases. They're one of my favorites.
Yep.
Used to be Nutter Butters. I love some Nutter Butters.
Yeah, I do too.
The golden Chips Ahoy. I mean
Oreos.
Oreos. Why did I say Chips Ahoy?
I don't know.
Deluxe chips. You see that?
Yep.
I'm sure y'all seen the raccoon there. Some more Reese's Pieces. Some Deluxe. Where did them go?
I'll just put them down. I'll straighten it all out in a minute.
Orange cream dream. I like them popsicles. You remember them?
Mm-hmm.
Vanilla on the inside and orange cream on the. Just Deluxe. Ooh, these are some good ones too. Cream vanilla.
Is that with strawberries?
Strawberry. Real strawberries made with real strawberries.
Mm-hmm. Well, this loves the strawberry ones.
She'll probably be so excited about these because they're, oh look, mini alphabet cookies. School friendly.
Yep. That one's got a hole in it, yep. That one's got a
See
hole
how
in
they
it.
busted that and chunking it in here and the bag's so full. So good. Feel good. Oh, that one. anything Oreos.
No, there's another one right there underneath the
We
chips.
found some, what was some Oreos we found? The coffee flavor?
Coffee flavored ones.
That's fine. And them things are actually, I like them.
I don't even know
like
if
a
Mama's
mocha
tried.
or
I don't know if
something?
Mama's tried them yet because I sent her some a pack of them.
I wish she could take these to the daycare with her, I wish, but they're out of date. And they won't let her, you know what I'm saying? It's the place she works at, they get rid of the milk
Every week.
every week. That ain't even, you know, nowhere near being expired. Alphabet cookies.
Yeah, they give it away to all the workers. So she brings home a jug of milk every week.
I remember our kids used to love these duplex. Didn't some of them used to be called the Walmart ones would be called duplex or
I
something
think
like
so.
that
I
cookies.
can't remember.
Oh, yeah, 2 bags of the duplex.
They're not. They're clover leaves. That one's got a hole in it.
I know.
Alright, it's the last box right here. Right here is the last little box.
Some more snickerdoodles. Some more of the caramel. And I just bought some of these. I saved
One fell also down there.
because
Now those, the wheat thins, I mean those we'll keep. It's right
yeah,
there.
we'll keep because
We eat that. You eat those.
Yeah.
We always get
I mean,
like
if we had
the.
found a bunch of them, I would have
Donate,
a lot
yeah.
of them, but most of them were busted, but
I'll send
this
that one to
was
Mama.
dry and, yeah, your mom likes a lot of saltine cracker, and these y'all love these. I like the wheat thins.
Yeah,
too.
we like the wheat
and they're
thins.
so high. You know, they're like $3 or $4, ain't they?
Yeah, each one of us will keep a box because Jacob
Yeah.
always eats a box and Elizabeth eats one and
These are
I
good.
ate one.
These will be donated because we don't really eat them anymore. But that one, still see it.
we always buy hummus and all that stuff. So
Oh, medium hummus. This, the cap was off, so I'll make sure I spurt some out and desanitize the cap too.
I might just throw that one away honestly because not knowing, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, these are like little.
Because these are normally sealed to where they have to be.
It actually is, but what happened is when they chunked it in, you see how they cracked the corner that
Yeah.
pops off, but they cracked the corner.
But to be safe, I don't know. I might just go ahead and throw that
That's
away.
the generic
Wheat thins.
wheat thins, just as good.
Thin wheats, yeah.
We got a mega food haul.
We haven't had a food haul like
I
this in a
know.
long time.
Probably, what, a couple of years. Well, no, about a year and a half when we used to live on the other side.
Yeah.
And people used to say, oh, it's getting boring because all y'all do is y'all just find so much stuff every night.
Food wise, yeah, we
would
did.
find so much food constantly. And we had somebody that would come and pick it up by the truckload and take it
Yeah.
and get rid of it for us to people. That's the last thing. Look at that.
Yep. I don't know, let's see. It's all, I ain't doing that. Or you have to wait and I just do,
Why?
I'm
Here.
at the straight.
Like this. Why?
Hold on, let me get backwards. So I got it zoomed.
You take a picture?
I can't take a picture on video and
Hey y'all, hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. We're gonna have a giveaway before long.
yep.
And like I said, tell me which one of these. Did y'all eat these when y'all were kids? Or did y'all like the Boston baked beans? Or do you know what the Boston baked beans I'm talking about? We'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.